So, hey guys, welcome back in COD Bangla YT. So guys, in this video, I'll show you that how we can simply set up the graphics option, like how we can set up the graphics widget, that graphics setting high, low, and etc. So let's start. So before do that, you need to go Unreal Engine official documentation, that this page, that Unreal Engine, that testing optimization your content, then performance and profile, then scalability, then scalability reference. Okay, so I need to go this page. Why? Because there we want these console commands. Okay, by these console commands, we can change our quality. Like if you see this picture, that resolution, if it's low, 50%, as you can see, what is the quality? And if we go some more quality, as you can see, and if this is 100% resolution, so will be set up in our game. Okay, so this is the basically the code of for the console command what you can use. Also, if you want, you can use this r dot these codes if you want, but my case in shortly we should be use this thing, so it will be help us more. So let's start. So first of all, we need to create a widget in our Unreal Engine, so we can control that one. So guys, also I try to give you the project link, so if it's possible for me, I give you the project link so you can download and easily use. Okay, you can find the link in the description link below. Okay, so now what you can do is, first of all, go in open level class, because you already created the widget. Now call the begin play, and with the begin play, what you do is basically we'll be grab our, basically we connected our UI with our game. So create create widget, then the class is our UI, and we'll be add with our viewport, add to viewport. Okay, so now basically our UI is connected with our game. Okay, now we can control our widget. So for do that, I'll be simply get the button. Okay, and at every of button, I'll be set the size is 150 by sorry, not this one. So I need to set the X size 300 by, and I said the Y is more than 60. And yeah, that is good for every button. Then I'll be add a text view inside of this button, so it will be automatically go inside of that button. Okay, so this is for our, first of all, the graphics, the resolution. Okay, that how much resolution we want, that low, medium, and high. So here's the text for display that resolution, that how much resolution we want. So we'll be set the gravity to left side or the corner up, so it will be stay this place. Okay, so let's come in here, and I just copy the name, because why, my English is totally so much bad, as you know, that's why. So basically just copy paste here, that resolution, and then resolution slash low or space low, that is just tell us that resolution low. Then we'll be copy one more time, and with this one we'll be just connect like this. Yep, that was good. What do you say, guys? This is good. Yep. So now at here we'll be set it that resolution, and or we can give, for now let's give it to high, HIGH, high. Okay, that we only use low or high. Okay, if you want, you can use all the resolution like 0 to 20. Okay, so for the resolution, the percentage, you need to find this, that r dot screen dot pre this one. Okay, you need to just copy this thing and then come in Unreal Engine, and with this button, let me show you example on clicked. So this is our for low. So then here with this one will be search that console cmd console command c, or search that cmd, it should become, no, it's not command command, that you find this, that executed at c console command. Okay, and at the console command you need to paste. Now how much resolution you want for low, in my case I'll be set it that, guys, only 50. Okay, or you can set it to 45 as you want, and then click on the high one, and with click we'll be copy this thing, but this time we want that our resolution that high, so we'll be give 100%. Okay, now let's click on save this and let's try first of all this thing. So just go to project settings and then mouse that this one, and now save this thing, and now let's click on play. And as you can see our resolution coming. Okay, now if I click on high, as you can see this is high right now. If I click now low, as you can see our resolution become down. It will be also affecting our gameplay. Okay, or our then now our then now what I'm telling, sorry, now what is we doing that it's de increase our resolution. Okay, and if I click again high, as you can see our resolution become high. Okay, I guess I'm not sure that why the resolution, maybe I forget to save the resolution name. Like, just copy this one. Oh no, I didn't set the resolution in text box. Sorry. So set it to resolution. Okay, so that is for low and high. We also can do, if we click the button, it will be changed. If you want, you can do that thing. However, let's now selected this both, then click on duplicate. And maybe it's copy one. Where is the another one? Oh, there's a three. Sorry. Okay, now the third one will be use the shadow. Okay, I'm showing you the main ones, all the main the graphic settings. Now just duplicate this thing and just like that. Okay, now let's search that the shadow. So you can find the that is the view post processing. You find the all the thing. Here's the shadow. So at the shadow will be just simply copy, and first of all we'll be say this thing at here like that shadow, and here with this thing we'll be use that shadow low, and for this one that shadow high. Okay, now compile and save. Now for this one we'll be do the same thing on clicked, and for this one we'll be also set that on clicked. Okay, so first one is the low and second one is high. So we'll be copy this thing again and just connect it like this. Okay, now come at here, then we'll copy this thing. As you can see, but for kind of like this, that if you set the shadow quality to 0, there is a no shadow. Okay, make sure in your game there is a no shadow. Anywhere there's a no shadow, as you can see the picture. But if you, however, you increase the sorry, not however, whenever you increase the shadow quality 1, 2, and 3, you get this result. That one, it's a give you a some lightning quality and also some shadow above some basic shape. Then the second one give you some more quality of shadow, like some more high quality shadow. The third one give you the full quality. Okay, the level of this one. So let's start from the 0 and we'll be set it the last one to 4, sorry, in 3. Okay, 1 0 1 2 and 3. Okay, now at here the percentage will be remove this console command. That is for first one is for 0 and second one is the without 0 it's 3. Okay, now click on compile and save. And for seeing the shadow goodly, we can add a simple cube at here in our world, so we can see him the shadow quality. Like maybe it should be like set up like this, so we can see the quality of shadow. I hope so, guys. Yep, as you can see, but it's telling to that light need to build, but don't worry, just set it to the light's quality, sorry, the light, then set it to movable. Okay, done. Okay, so as you can see that sometime after then shadow, okay, it can give some, so let's set to stationary, static, oh sorry, not my player, movable, set to light source, the static, movable, static. Then click on lights build all the lights. So I'm just building the lights. So at this point, what you can do that we also can set up the texture quality, that how much texture quality we want. So basically you need to just copy them and paste them there and just add a button for every of option that 0, 1, 2 and 3, and you find also you can find for the particle system. As you can see, the demo 0, the demo details mode 1, medium, and high models. As you can see, okay, you can see the difference between this one. Okay, like yeah, it's help us so much. Okay, okay, the lights is builded. Now click on save. Now click on play. As you can see, now the shadow we can see, let's set it to resolution low and shadow low, high and low. Maybe it's not working goodly. The shadow as g dot shadow good shadow. Yes, don't know where is my shadow. Should be have there's any shadow. Let's set it to movable. Okay, now let's play. Let's set it to high and high shadow. And as you can see, the shadow is quality so much good. If I set to low, as you can see, there's a no shadow. Okay, like my player have no shadow, and the grounds also don't have so much high quality shadow. But if I set it to shadow, and as you can see, the shadow quality become very good, and also the resolution we can change up like this. So I just hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel Kodi Bangla YT. And if you have question, you can comment in my comment box. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Love you all, and bye bye.